Okay, I am going to be painting on a, I think this is 12 by 12. I think so. Yeah. I'm going to show you how I mix up my Prussian blue when I already have some paint left in my container. It's as simple as I just add more and more of stuff. So, weird little cat decided to stay. So, and these Grumbacher tubes are different too, all metallic and stuff. Oh, that flipped completely. It's a very deep blue. And it doesn't break like the ink spot does. So, this is a semi-opaque paint. I just noticed that. Oh, that was gross. Don't fall. There we go. I'm gonna add a little bit more once I wipe up that edge. Where did all my rags go? Narnia, I suppose? I don't know, I was trying to clean up earlier. Oh, there it is. Went the wrong way. Just trying to get this blob out of the way. It's gross. It's kind of weird how it strings and globs like that. I don't like it. Ooh, that's a lot now. Okay. Okay. Itchy. And my faithful water bottle. As I'm mixing this, I'll show you some of the other colors I'm using today. I will be using Winsor & Newton cadmium yellow in medium hue. Also going to be using Artist's Loft metallic purple. Here, I guess I could take the lids off of them, eh? I'm also going to be using Artist's Loft in silver. I dented that one somehow. Okay. So these are the 4 colors I'm going to use. I'm going to be layering them in a different way, to say the least. I never... Oh, did I grab cups? I thought I did. How did I just... Oh, it's Floetrol. So as you can see, once it actually decides to mix in, it's a very nice blue, but that is too thick. So add water and stir it in. And just kind of stir it in a little slower at first when you're adding that much water at once, because otherwise you just splash it all over the place. I think that's still too thick. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ha! I just didn't look up far enough. Here are my cups. So I'm only going to be adding it to 2 of the colors. I just don't know what ones yet, because I want to do something different. I think I might just do it to the yellow and the silver. Gonna need that. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Stick this stick off to the side, because I'm not going to need it any more than I mix that. I'm also going to be using Artist's Loft, or no, Liquitex Basics in white, or titanium white, because I could. I don't know why I wanted this white. It doesn't matter. White is white. So, like I said, I'm going to be adding it to my yellow. And I'm going to be adding it to my silver. Very pretty paints. By it, I mean my silicone drops. They're Artist Loft as well. I found them at Michael's a while back. So excited about that. Stick these off to the side. I don't have a pretty wide view, but Whoops. I think I have enough in my dropper already. Oh, yeah. I'm tempted to add it to everything, but at the same time, I just don't want to deal with all of that right now. I also managed to find gloves. Of course, so hard to find gloves during this, right? So, they're not the greatest things in the world, but I will I will manage, because I managed to bring down my baby powder. So yeah, happy. I will go bring this back a little closer though. So do blue. Woo, that was a lot of blue. Purple, blue, purple, and put yellow kind of through it like that. That was cool. Now I'll go blue. Whoops. Purple, blue, purple, silver. So this was honestly Jeff's idea, because I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And he was like, well, here, try this. And I'm like, okay, why not? Here's the cup. I am totally gonna give him full credit for this because, well, yeah, his idea. Apparently dripped a whole good bunch, so try to scoop. Oh, now I'm just flinging it everywhere. Never mind. I'm getting it all over the place. So I think this will be neat because of how it was layered. There's this. I'm actually gonna flip it. Like, whoa, that. I'm a little out of touch, I guess. So, these gloves are not the greatest, so give me a second while I fight with them. Should probably grab my torch too. This gives it a good time to settle. Ah! Yay, baby powder. Or maybe just blowing them open first. I don't know. Now I have way too much in here though. Ha! Note to self. That's enough for both hands. At least they were easy to get off. So here, I'll just do it this way. Because my one hand is covered, I can do it and stick it back on my right hand, and yeah. Honestly, maybe it was just the first two were kind of fluke gloves, because I don't know. Either that or my hands were really, really gross at the time. So, the way around. I'll use my other one. And so I'm hoping the yellow and the silver will do something. You know? In that sense. I guess I shouldn't quite have put it in the center, but whatever. This works. Oh, geez. Like I said, there was a lot of blue. Pop. Okay. I got a new camera boom, so I'm getting used to how this is gonna be when I'm tilting and stuff, so. Okay. Well, I like it. I am very covered in paint, but I like it. I get everything? Yeah. I really got my edges. I still got baby powder all over the place, but at least I was able to get my gloves on and off with some relative ease. Because I went through a pair earlier and they just broke on me twice, and I was like, great, now what? I'm excited to see how this is going to dry, that's for sure. Yeah. Speaking of dried, before I get you down, this is how my last pour dried. It's been very nice reconnecting with my friend, to say the least. I like the gold. I like how this turned out in general. It's very, very pretty. So, yeah. It's got to cure a little bit more before I can do anything else. For my next video, I am going to show you how I fix my messed up canvases like this one. I maybe do a pour on it once it's the gesso on it dries. But yeah, I got some sandpaper here, so in my next video I will show you that. Just a little forewarning. But now, since this decided to sell so magnificently, I'm going to get you down for a close-up because this is very, very pretty. I like the silver that mixed in with the blue. It makes it look really different. I thought it was the white at first, but now that I'm up close, it's actually the silver, which is neat. I'm okay with that. Like, the metallic looks so pretty. I am so happy with this. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time.